Hello and welcome. Today we're going to be rescuing a Bolens G14 that we got 2 years ago. It had been sitting outside for many years before we bought it, and then whilst we've had it, it's been sitting outside. And we've just found it in undercover place to store it. So we've got the HT23 here. We've tested the area where it is, and it's so tight in that area that you can't actually get any sort of view from the camera. So we're going to tug it out with the HT23 and then we'll get you a look on it. Now we've got the tractor unstuck, we've put a trailer on the back of the HT23 with a winch on it, and we're going to go and collect the tractor. Getting this tractor on the trailer might be a bit of a challenge as the steering's seized. I'll just get some of this debris off first. Right, let's try winching it on. Right, we've got the tractor on the trailer, and now we'll take it round to the workshop and we'll talk about it. This tractor's probably going to end up as a parts tractor, but it is quite interesting because it was actually road registered with a license plate, but this number plate's actually the right one for the tractor, we don't know, so we're going to cover up most of it. You can see where it's been attached here, but the old registration in England would be 3 letters, 3 numbers, and then a letter certifying the year it was made. This one has N. N is from the 1st of August 1974 to the 31st of July 1975. But on the serial number it says it's a 1973, which might just be the time that it took for it to go from the factory to being sold and road registered. Another interesting feature that it had on it was a hydraulic lift, which we've taken off, but you can see the support brackets here and the fact that it doesn't have a lift lever on it. But we took that off when we got it because we didn't want it getting damaged by rain and other weather. We've put air in each of the tyres, and for the moment they seem to be holding air. We've gone around the tractor spraying it with releasing agent, so when it comes to taking it apart it makes it a bit easier. One thing on the tractor that we've noticed isn't seized is the engine. But it gets very dark here now in the UK. Very quickly, so we're now going to put this in our storage container quickly and pack up. So that'll be it for this video. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!